guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing something different. We're going to be making pizzas. So I'm going to show you how to make a calzone and the pizza, and how to make the pizza dough. So first thing you'll need to do is you'll need to get something that you put in, like a bread machine. So you put all the ingredients in. So you got the strong white bread flour. You'd need 450 grams. Next, you'll need a cup full of water, milk, or water. It doesn't matter which one you want. And then you'd need 2 teaspoons of caster sugar. Next, you put 1.5 teaspoons of salt. And then you put another half a teaspoon of yeast. Then next you'd need some olive oil. So you need 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So then once you've done that, you put it into the bread machine. So you put it into the bread machine. Find a slot. I got that. And then you shut the lid. And then you come over here. So you'd want basic dough. So you go into basic dough. So you're going to select and then select again until you get to 4, and then you'd press start. And then you have to wait until your bread's ready. Guys, welcome back, and so the pizza dough's nearly finished, and we are just going to make the sauce while we're waiting. So what you'd need is 3 ounces of tomato puree, and then you do 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and then you do 1 garlic clove. Next, you do the basil. Just like sprinkle it. And then you do the oregano, sprinkle it again. Then the rosemary. And then we put some water in. Normally the water would be 100 milliliters. And then we're done. We've done the sauce. We put it on the hob, and we put it onto full, and we just wait for it to simmer, and so it mixes all the ingredients in, so you can't see most of the ingredients. Just keep stirring it ever so often until the tomato sauce is finished, until it's ready. So now, when your bread, well, it's kind of like a bread, but it's pizza dough. When it's finished, you get it out of the thing that you're baking it in, and you put some flour, a little bit, and then you spread it across everywhere, and then you get your pizza dough out, and you put it onto the wet top. And then you'd need a roller pin, and just try and even it out into how many of you want. So you can do it. So just keep rolling it, and then you'd cut it into 3, because I have a family of 3. So if you can do whatever you want. Depends what kind of size pizza you want. So just try and make it even as possible. Once you've done that, now what you do is, you take them aside, and we'll do one at a time. So this one's going to be normal pizza, and then this one, just put a little bit of one on this one. Then this one will be the calzone, and it'll be another normal pizza. So try and make it quite flat. If you're doing a pizza, try and get it quite thin. So now we've made the pizza dough. It's nice and thin, but not too thick. So now our tomato puree is done. We get some the tomato puree. Depends how much you want to do with it. Try and section it out equally. So you get like a third, or for us, for example. So we got a third, and then you like mix it around the pizza, and then once you've done that, you're ready to put your toppings on. Preheat the oven to 180 fan. So guys, once you've preheated the oven, so this is where you can go freestyle. You can do whatever you want. You can have any toppings that you want. So not like chocolate or anything, but so you can have. So this is what we've got. So we've got chorizo, salami, pepper, sweet corn, mozzarella, and mushrooms. You could follow our recipe, or you could do the same. So. And then when you want to do the mozzarella, try and equally space them out. The peppers do the same. And then with the mushrooms, just scatter them anywhere. And then, if you want sweet corn, just try and put a bit of sweet corn everywhere. Right, and then if you were the one that wanted the calzone, what you do is, so I didn't really explain this much, but you like fold it over in half, right? And then once you've done that, so the calzone, what you do is you fold it over and you go back like this. Try and get all of the edges, trying to get it all tucked in. Yes, there might be some like excess like sauce or bits. Just try and so if there's sauce, just try and it might help for you to actually enclose it. So it makes it stick, and then you've done. So it's ready to go in the oven. And then put the pizzas on for 12 minutes. And when your pizzas are done, get them out of the oven But just remember to turn the hob off, the grill off first. Take the pizzas out. And then you get the next one. And then for the grand finale, we get the massive calzone. That looks really nice, that does. Here's the final piece of the episode today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll hope to see you next week. A little surprise for what we're doing next week. I'm thinking of doing some brownies, so stay tuned for next week. Goodbye, thanks for watching.